Here's another tutorial. This one is on Google Meets. This is how teacher and student are going to interact for the most part. I'm on my North Drive Live classroom. I already did a tutorial on that. Check it out if you need help, how to get up to Classroom. But here's my class, it's studio broadcasting, and I'm on the student side. The Meet link is here on the top page, the very beginning. I go to it. And I can see who's in already. Jacqueline Edelbaum. I'm in there as a teacher. And I can join. Before I join, though, the nice thing about this is we can change backgrounds. If I hit this on the right side, I can blur my background. It's a slight blur. I can do a bigger blur. I can blur my background, or I can just change the background in general. Underwater. Apparently it sees my book bag as a real person. Whatever. Okay. What's nice about this feature is we know that houses are hectic. They might have all children at home, or there might be something that you don't want us to see as teachers, and we respect that. But we really do want kids to have their video on because there's no days to check in like normal. I will say personally, I never forced my kids to have video because I was going to see them for 2 days at least, and I could always check in on them. I did tell them, though, now that we're virtual, I need to see you. I need to see you working. I need to see what you're working on. Okay, so this feature is great for my shy kids, my kids that don't want to show the background of their house. They don't want to show their bedroom. It might be dirty. I don't know. Okay, but it's a nice little feature. So I can join. Okay. So right now you see the avatar for Jackie Edelbaum, the teacher, and I'm the student. As a student, I can raise my hand. There's a new feature that was added. And as a teacher, let's see. I can see raised hands. I can see that the hand is raised. Okay. And I can see, fun fact, this picture here is the student, North Drive Live. Going to the other one, I currently have my avatar. As I said, have the video on, at least it's a teacher's prerogative, but as a teacher, it's hard to teach to a bunch of avatars. It's just a courtesy. It'd be very nice. But that is how Google Meet works. I'm going to lower my hand. The other thing is, and it works for teachers, is kids can chat. Obviously, you're not saying, hey, Billy, how's your weekend? But like, I don't understand that answer. I can send it. As a teacher, I can see that. Okay. So that might help as well for communication. That's all I have for you on Google Meet. I lied. That's not all I have for you. Another thing about Google Meet. I'm going to get out of both of these. Your teacher has office hours. If you go to Google Meet, just Google it, from, it depends, but roughly from, we'll say 7:20 to 8:40, somewhere in there, teachers have office hours. And they're named. So I'll go join or start a meeting. And office hours is the teacher's last name. Office hours. Continue. In a perfect world, you should see Jacqueline Edelbaum is already in there. I'm just showing how it works. I will tell you this. If there was more than one Edelbaum in East Stroudsburg, it would be Edelbaum J, because my name's Jackie, office hours. So if you find that a teacher's not in the office hours with the last name office hours, use their first initial. Okay, now that's all I have for you for Google Meet. I hope that helps.